Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a detailed review of the all-new Kia EV5, a compact electric SUV that's turning heads with its bold design, impressive tech, and strong performance credentials. Whether you're considering going electric or just curious about the future of Kia, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Starting with the exterior, the Kia EV5 showcases a futuristic yet rugged look, blending sharp lines with a bold stance. The signature digital tiger face front end features sleek LED headlights that stretch across the fascia, giving it a modern and confident expression. The body is sculpted for aerodynamic efficiency, with flush door handles and a sloped roofline that adds a sporty edge. From the side, the squared-off wheel arches and stylish alloy wheels emphasize its SUV character, while the rear sports wraparound taillights and a clean, minimalist design. Inside, the EV5 is all about space, comfort, and cutting-edge tech. The cabin is minimalistic but premium, using sustainable materials throughout, including recycled plastics and plant-based leather. The highlight is a panoramic widescreen that combines the digital instrument cluster and infotainment system into one seamless unit. Kia's new infotainment interface is intuitive, fast, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The EV5 also comes with ambient lighting, a flat floor for extra legroom, and configurable rear seats that slide and recline, giving it a living room-like comfort, especially in the long-range variant. Now, let's talk performance. The Kia EV5 is built on the eGMP platform, the same architecture used in the EV6. It's available in both standard and long-range versions. The standard version offers a single motor setup, producing about 215 horsepower, delivering a smooth and responsive drive. The long-range version bumps up battery capacity and provides around 300 miles of range on a single charge, depending on driving conditions. Charging is quick, thanks to 800-volt architecture, with fast charging from 10 to 80% in about 25 minutes. It handles well too, with low center of gravity and precise steering, making it enjoyable both in city driving and on highways. As for pricing, the Kia EV5 is expected to start around $35,000 for the base model and can go up to $50,000 for the fully loaded version with all-wheel drive and extended range. That's competitive, especially considering the features and range offered. So that's our full look at the Kia EV5. What do you think? Would you consider this as your next EV? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more car reviews coming your way.